It's 3 p.m. We have no turkey. So pray for us.
Good morning, SNL2.
What's up, SNL2?
We are back with another video. Back with another video.
And today is
Thanksgiving.
Lee Day.
We are rushing. Oh, we wanted to vlog Thanksgiving. I have to go to the store. Forgot a freaking ham.
Forgot the ham.
Which is crazy. But we're gonna vlog today for you and see you later. So, like I told you guys, I forgot to get a ham. And so I'm at Giant at the grocery store, which I did not want to be here on Thanksgiving Day, but whatever. To get a freaking ham. Cross your fingers that they have one for me. I wrote Happy Thanksgiving 2021 on the sign. So cute. Sweet potato saga continues. There goes Lee, making his mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Can't show him all the cheese.
Can't show them all the cheese. Can't show them what's in it.
It's gonna be good.
You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be good.
A few moments later.
About to take the mac and cheese out. Look at that. Look at that mac and cheese.
Looks really good.
It smells really good too. So good. I gotta.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Ron's just making up famous sweet potatoes.
Scared me. It's a whole lot of sugar, but it's soul food.
Soul food, it's once again. Gonna be good. Caramelizers. Oh, these are the best sweet potatoes.
Yeah, some people make them in the oven, some people make on the stove, whatever you prefer.
So if you can see, I'm out at the store right now. The turkey fryer did not work. I've been using it for the last 2-3 years. It won't heat up. The power light won't stay on. So now I'm in a frenzy. It's 3 p.m. We have no turkey. So pray for us. SNL. I wasn't able to get a deep fryer. Got some pots. The deep pot to fry. I'm really upset. So the deep fryer didn't work. So now we're going to plan B. I went and got pots, as you saw. And we're about to chop the turkey up and see how that goes.
Hi, Reese. Lucky dog. You don't have to do anything, do you? Except chill while mom and dad do all the hard work. Okay, SNL2, we are back. I did a little something to my edges. Some family has arrived. I have on an outfit. That's mom. Hi, mom. Hey. Cute. I like your outfit. Thank you. Mom bought her famous red beans and rice. So yummy. Hi.
Which one is this one? It's the Merlot, the Chateau Michelle. The Chateau Michelle. Ooh, what,
then we got some steeplechase.
Oh, from Liquor.
Hey.
My mom loves that
Yeah,
one.
I
Oh.
got something for the girly girls that can't drink mango lemonade.
So mango lemonade right there, the sparkling.
Lemonade, the sparkling, so they can act like they drinking.
There you
but
go.
they just got sparkling something.
Corner Bakery cupcakes, can't miss. Pie, wine. Ooh. So we're waiting on our other family. We're gonna make sure we have all of our spoons and stuff to get the food out with so we can eat. I have these chargers. We need to divide them up, right?
What we call chargers.
Yeah, charges. What else? Should I put the sweet potatoes in their own thing? The mac and cheese is already in the pan, right? The sweet potatoes are in the pan too. The greens aren't and the stuffing isn't.
Okay.
However, the stuffing looks great how it is, but it's in aluminum. Oh yeah, I broke my nail.
She said it hurt so bad. She was crying when I came upstairs.
I wasn't crying. I'm too G for that.
Crying.
But it is broken in half.
I want to say the innovation we came up with, the turkey fry broke. Oh my goodness. We deserve an award for that. Play by play. The turkey fryer,
Broke.
and like it just wouldn't heat. It wouldn't heat at all.
We took a second to brainstorm.
Yep.
I was like, let's cut it.
So I went to the store and I bought 2 pig pots, and we was chopping turkey like it was like
we
a
was in a
market.
butcher shop.
Yeah, like a butcher shop. We was up here chopping it. Bah, bah, bah. We did good though. About to show y'all what it looked like in a second.
Happy Thanksgiving. Look at the new baby. Look at April. All right, after dinner, coffee comes out.
Coffee comes
We
out.
live an hour away from where most of our family lives, so we gotta get them right.
Gotta get them right. Gotta get them.
Coffee comes out. Our coffee bar is normally really cute. All our syrups and stuff.
So right now we just trying to get it right.
Hi guys.
That's Pepe. Pepe.
Say hi, SNL.
Hi SNL too.
In-law. He is always the first to get the desserts. Which one you cutting first this year? Oh, okay. My mother-in-law made this chocolate cake. It's so good. And the blueberry cake. So good. And my uncle made the lemon cake. First cut. It's good.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.